Hello. If your 3D or laser machine does not recognize the inserted SSD card, you are in the right place. This happens because they only read devices formatted in FAT32, and external disks larger than 32 gigabytes do not support this format natively. To format the disk in this format without needing other programs, first, start the Disk Management tool. Next, delete the existing partitions. Add a new partition. The size must be smaller than 32 gigabytes. Select the option to format it in FAT32. And that's it. Now just save and print. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. All the best.